really think that having a trade license is the much safer route if any case gusto mong magkaroon ng side income or gusto mong kumita pa ng extra. Of course, it always boils down to person, kung ano yung gusto mong sundin. But what I can advise is really to always manage your risks. Kung ano yung mga risks na pwede mong makuha, then it's all up to you because you are the one who's deciding. So again, um, marami na rin kasing mga foreigners ang nandito. So from what I heard and what I read on the news, Ministry of Interior and the police are getting stricter na. They were checking some companies kung ano yung mga visas ang meron ng employee nila. They were randomly checking people or foreigners sa cities, sa bus. So, ayun nga, marami na rin kasing foreigners. So, we should expect na Ministry of Interior or the police will be more stricter than before kasi so of course maintain din nila yung quality of living and then the quality of the rules and laws dito. So yun, once again, it's all up to you. I'm just showing you that there is a way of having a part-time job without worrying any problem na pwedeng makuha mo kapag ka nagpa-part-time ka.